Okay, we'll be multiplying and dividing using positive and negative numbers. And of course, this video will teach you on how to determine if the answer to multiplication and or division problems are positive or negative. Here's the steps for determining if the outcome of a multiplication and or division problem is positive or negative. And so the reason why I say and or division is because division is the same thing as multiplying by their reciprocals. First step is to count how many negative numbers you have in the math problem. Second step is determine the count that you have for the negatives, if it's an odd or even number. And of course, if it's an even number, your answer will be positive. And if it's odd, your answer will be negative. And of course, this will not work if you have times 0 or division of 0 in your multiplication or division problem. Problem 5 times 3 times negative 7 divided by 5. First step is to determine how many negative numbers we have in this problem. And of course, we have one negative number in the problem. Second step, we know our answer will be negative since we are not multiplying or dividing by 0 in the math problem. And that's because our negative count is 1. And so that makes 5 times 3 times negative 7 divided by 5 equal to negative 21. In this problem, we have negative 1/3 times negative 9 times 15 times 1 times 0. First, we count the negative numbers, and we have 2 negatives. And so we have our count, we proceed to the next step. And then the second step, our answer would be positive, except we are multiplying by 0, and anytime you multiply by 0 in multiplication or division math problem, then your answer will always be 0. Our next problem, we have in parentheses 5 minus 7 times negative 5 times 3 divided by 2. And so we have to do the parentheses first because that's what we do in order of operations. So we do 5 minus 7, and that is negative 2. And then the rest of our problem is times negative 5 times 3 divided by 2. And since our outcome of our parentheses is the negative, then that makes us have 2 negatives in this math problem. And so, and of course it's 2 negatives. And then since 0 is not multiplied or divided, then our answer will be positive. And so we multiply all that out, and we get an answer of positive 15. Multiply and divide all that out. So negative 2 times negative 5, that is positive 10 times 3, positive 30, divided by 2 is 15. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and have a good day.